Hi, I'm Tyler Dufresne,
And I'm Cecilia Gillum.
and this is a summary of our Shell Science Lab Regional Challenge Award package.
Because of the Shell grant, students were able to participate in building water filters. Here you will find the Thirst Project representative.
What you're looking at is what's called an earth dam. The community dug a recessed pit that's approximately 4 feet deep and is about the size of an average high school gymnasium. The community pushed these walls up alongside of it in order to collect rainwater. This became the water source for this community of 400. It's open, unprotected, it is visibly contaminated and shared with all sorts of cattle that would both drink and defecate in the.
After listening to the Thirst Project Road Warrior, students became excited about learning how to become global ambassadors by building a water filter to help in the global water crisis.
Before we could decide our procedure, we had to do research. We took time to figure out what combination of materials it would take to get rid of all the contaminants in the water. It takes a very specific size, angularity, and hardness of a material for it to be able to leave unwanted particles trapped in the layers. The sand and gravel should be fine and resilient enough to remove any impurities, and the cotton balls have been shown to create a protective layer, keeping the materials of the filter compact together.
What I did so far is I cut from the label, the lid, and then I turned it upside down and I put the neck of the bottle facing down. And then to make sure that it's stable and doesn't fall, I taped it along the sides and make sure like where there's a space between. Then place one coffee filter at the neck of the bottle.
As you can see, students were afforded the opportunity to learn through hands-on applications. Because of the Shell NSTA grant, the students were given the materials to use to properly test and analyze the water that they were filtering. Students thoroughly enjoyed this hands-on activity and truly felt like they were making a difference.
But the water didn't come out clear. It came out kind of cloudy, but there was a decrease in the harmful chemicals.
Students had to reflect on their learning. Students wrote reflections to show what they took away from the lab. This gave us the opportunity to determine how successful and how much of an impact the supplies made on student learning. The students were very engaged in this activity. As you can see, they truly wanted to filter water and create a device that would help people who are on the lower socioeconomic status be able to filter their water properly. Students even wrote conclusions about what they learned as a result of doing this lab. To truly make this a three-dimensional lesson, students were making logos for their products so that it could be a STEAM lesson. Thank you, Shell and NSTA, for being our partners in STEM education.
We appreciate you.
We hope that you enjoyed our presentation. I know the students certainly enjoyed the materials that you afforded us at Holmville High School. Thank you so much, and we look forward to continuing to work in a partnership with you.